Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. Today, we'll take you through a detailed, step-by-step guide on setting up the Cisco Business 100 series mesh extender. This powerful device is designed to enhance your Wi-Fi network by extending its coverage and delivering a seamless, reliable connection across your home or office. Let's get started. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to get started: the Cisco Business 100 series mesh extender, a power adapter, and a quick start guide. The extender's sleek and compact design makes it convenient to place anywhere. Insert the Cisco Business 100 series mesh extender into a nearby power outlet and ensure it is securely connected. Wait patiently for the LED indicator on the front panel to begin blinking, signaling that the device is powered on and ready to start the setup process. Using your computer or smartphone, search for and connect to the Wi-Fi network being broadcasted by the extender. This network should appear in your list of available connections, allowing you to access and configure the extender for the next steps. Next, download the Cisco Business app onto your smartphone or tablet. You can find it easily in the App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android. This app will guide you through the setup and configuration process seamlessly. Open the Cisco Business app on your smartphone or tablet. If you're using the app for the first time, you'll need to create a new account. Simply follow the easy registration process to get started, which will guide you through setting up your device. Within the Cisco Business app, tap on the option labeled Add Device, then select Mesh Extender from the list. The app will immediately begin scanning your network to detect the extender and prepare it for the setup process. When the Cisco Business app detects the extender, carefully follow the on-screen prompts to pair it with your Cisco Business router or access point. Once the pairing is complete, the LED light on the extender will turn solid green, confirming a successful and stable connection. Once the pairing process is successfully completed, disconnect the extender from the power outlet and relocate it to your desired spot for optimal coverage. Plug it into the new location, wait for the LED light to turn green, and verify improved Wi-Fi performance in previously weak signal areas. If you experience any issues or require assistance, our dedicated team of skilled professionals is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out for expert support and guidance. You can contact us directly at 1-323-507-3713 for prompt and reliable assistance. And there you have it. You've successfully completed the setup of your Cisco Business 100 series mesh extender. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell for more tech tips and how-to guides. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.